everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making almond butter. But before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So making your own nut butter is super easy and it's going to be preservative free, which is definitely a plus. So all you're going to need are 4 cups of your almonds, or you can technically do this with any nut, and just a 1/4 cup of an oil. All we're going to do is blend this up in our little blender, and that's literally it, okay? So I'm just going to add our almonds. Bring this a little closer, okay? And then all you're going to do is add in your oil. Just as always, I'm going to use my little spatula from TJ Maxx. Okay, so then once your lid is secured, all you're going to want to do is start this process slow. So you're going to start on your low or your number 1 or whatever kind of blender it is that you have, and then you're just going to work your way up to the highest setting. Now I'm going to do this for about a minute. You can do it less if you like your nut butters to be a little bit chunkier. Okay, now I don't have one of those Vitamixes with the little sticks, so I'm just going to stop this for a second, grab my spatula, and then just clean up the sides a bit. If you do have a Vitamix, it's going to be way easier. You can just push everything down into the blender. Okay, so I just switched the top of my attachment just to make it a little bit easier on myself, and now I'm blending in here. So like I said, obviously the more that you blend it, the smoother it's going to be. I don't like my nut butters to be too chunky, so I like them really smooth. That's totally up to you. Okay, so like I said before, the consistency of your nut butter is just going to be up to you. So if you find that when you're blending things around and they're a little bit dry, just add some more olive oil or whatever oil it is you have. And same goes for if you think it's a little too wet, just add some more almonds. So we're all done here, and now it's time for my favorite part, to taste it. Let's grab a little apple slice. This is so good, you guys. Hold on, I have to grab my phone. This actually came out way better than I even thought that it would. I can't wait to try it with any other nuts that I can find around the house. Well, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. For exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.